Hi guys, I'll be reviewing my Dyson hair dryer that I got about 5-6 years ago, and it is the best hair dryer I ever owned. All the attachments are magnetic, and the magnet is pretty strong, so it doesn't fall out. It has 3 settings for the heat and 3 settings for the fan, and it is not as loud as other hair dryers. This is a cold button. I'll show you how it works. It comes in other colors if you like other colors, and it has a little filter down here where you could clean every 3-4 months. It's a very good product. It's not as loud as other hair dryers. So yeah, thank you for watching.